Are you opening a soda or something?
Drinking bottled water.
Ah, okay. All right. Anyway, I think this is a good place to start. I just started recording just so I can sync the audio and stuff. But anyway, what's up,
Oh,
everyone?
bitch.
That's beautiful. Anyway, what's up, everyone? I'm the Silent 49, and that
This is
was
Jacob.
not
Jacob, we're going with that.
not the one from a certain terrible love story, right?
What love story? You mean comedy?
No, it has to do with poorly made vampires.
Yeah. No, they're not vampires. They're unicorns. Because only unicorns shine in the light.
But anyway, yeah, we are now. This is chapter 4 now, right? Because our fun tank battle was just a wonderful swell experience. Oh, wonderfully.
Wonderful, he says.
Oh
By the
yeah.
way, I'm never slowing down. We are gonna crash a lot, but I'm saying it right now. We're not slowing down.
Well, my pistol's infinite, so uh, um, you handle this better than Well, you just handle the motorcycle extremely well, so I put all my faith into you.
Did I do a wheelie? Of course not. Bonk.
I kind of we're losing health.
For bonking? Holy shit.
Oh crap! I forgot to turn notifications off. I forgot to put myself on busy. Oh well.
I thought we crashed, but okay. That's all you, buddy. If we die, it's because of you. Jake, she already shot at you, fucking idiot.
Um. Well, just think of that line. It's very similar to Sonic and Shadow cutting themselves off at Green Forest.
That's one way of putting it. Oh god,
Yeah.
fire.
Basically, I did the action before the line.
Oh god, fire. Oh god, cars. He
You know,
crashed.
I know, because we're kind of still experiencing lag, so I'm kind of seeing things vanish on my end from time to time, and my whole body just went on fire. So now I am
The Ghost Rider?
yeah, there we go. Why do I keep forgetting his name? It's two simple words.
Seriously, Mike, jackass. Oh fuck, what buttons I gotta press?
I know I have to tap. I know I have to tap X to win. To live. It is X, right?
I don't fucking know.
Is it X? Is it X? Yeah, it's
It
X.
should be.
But I mean, bright side. This part isn't like when you're fighting Simmons, because for some reason, in No Hope mode, when you're fighting Simmons, when you're either Leon or Ada, that bar goes by way too quickly. Way too quickly. You start. Am I dead? No, I'm not. I'm dead?
What? I was right there! I made it!
That
But
should
that was.
that shouldn't be legal.
It really shouldn't have. What the fuck? I blame your disability for not being able to fucking tap quick enough. Yeah, you just gotta press one button and that's it. Just keep tapping a little bit longer. You use that of yours.
Oh, slowing down. Slowing down.
No, you're not. I think I made it. Okay.
Okay, I was expecting the motorcycle. I just see her bounce off the ground.
I was expecting her to bounce again.
Hold
Just
on,
like,
wait,
yeah,
wait a
you
minute.
got.
Wait a minute. She gets pierced by that thing in chapter 2. And here she just falls to the ground and oh, I'm dead? I'm pretty sure that thing pierced
Logic, Mike, logic. Don't try not to make sense of it.
But I know that thing pierced a couple
Oh, what buttons do I gotta press? I think it's A and X, ain't it? Oh shit! That came out real quick.
God, all this lag just makes everything so funny.
The shit that we go through. Or actually you, because you suck.
You could say that, but sometimes the suckiness comes at an advantage.
That's what she said.
Anyway,
We almost crashed.
I've never had trouble shooting these guys off of the motorcycles. I've always had a pretty decent time. The same way it is to you when you're driving a motorcycle.
Blame Need for Speed and Grand Theft Auto. That's how I know how to drive this thing. Notice that I'm not slowing down whatsoever. And now we died.
Yep. The very tip of the wheel touched that truck.
Word.
Jank.
'Cause I was going through all that without slowing down. It's bullshit, I tell you.
Death.
Okay. Anyway,
What, you're doing a cha-ching?
something like that.
Eh. All this fucking traffic. Well, Mike, all you now.
I know there's another button that just lets me hold on to you. Okay, it's the A button.
Oh, hold on to me, huh? They're like constantly hugging me. Like, I love you, Jake. Did you see that guy try to kick us?
I don't think I did.
That biatch. Too bad I can't look behind me. I'm clicking X thinking this is All Stars.
Oh, yeah, no, this other guy's trying to swing at us.
Oh shit, this part.
Is this whole part like a bullet time thing?
No. I just gotta pay attention to the damn road. Like you normally would have.
Here we go. Hold on.
Oh!
Oh, that car actually clipped right through us.
Yeah. I would never do this in real life. I do want a motorcycle when I get older. Is that enough of the motorcycle section?
Yeah, that's the end of it.
Wow, that was kind of short.
We're almost. I think we're near the parts where the demo started.
I
Oh man,
love that bike.
I think that might have crashed slightly easily, but they were going
Because your fat ass was on it, that's why.
quite literally.
I'm not looking forward to
We're at
this.
this part. Ugh.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to this.
Okay, we didn't get to do it before, but you
Hi
really.
Phil, hi. Hey Phil, hi Mike.
I'm here.
Oh, that was you in the past.
You really have to try to take out that helicopter in one shot. I was,
Yeah?
without the whole Mike dying thing.
Well, let's take care of the guys surrounding us first. And I got shit health.
You do, because every time we turn off the game and go back in for a while, we get full health again.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm on my side too. But at the moment, I'm kind of getting shot by everything. If you have healing, that'd be very beautiful.
I have none.
I was about to shoot his ass.
Yeah, we might be here for a minute.
Alright, now I need to do this Call of Duty style. Hide behind some random wall and then just camp.
Oh no, you don't. Let me camp with you.
Ah! Oh, they broke my cover! You dicks! I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get to you without dying first. And I pulled it off. What?
I
to
was
say, pass up.
that was weird. I was still being shot at.
Yeah, I know. I completely forgot that I had the assault rifle, and now I'm out of ammo for it.
Helicopter
Hey.
on. Can we get it out the way by just getting it with like, just popping it with this with like 1 or 2 magnum shots?
No, you gotta get rid of the enemies here. We don't take care of the helicopter till after this section. Remember?
All right, all right. Enough about Redfield. Jesus, getting old.
I don't think he likes Chris.
I don't either.
Know what they're dealing with. Trying to clue him in.
Seriously, what the hell is Chris and Pierce doing up there? They're fucking not doing anything. They're just watching us get our asses kicked is what they're doing. Ow. Is that machine gun ammo? Please say yes. Yes. Ow. Fuck you, bitch.
All right. Ooh, flash grenade.
Yeah, use that shit while I reload and camp. Come here, bitch. I feel safe.
Actually, this looks like a pretty decent spot. Wait, hold on.
I'm almost running low. I'm running low on ammo. Ah, fuck you, helicopter. Shit.
Dropping like flies. We'll have this mess mopped up in no time.
Oh, good. We only got a few more left now.
Yeah, but if we die now, then...
It'll be for nothing.
Ow.
No.
Shoot the guy that's pretty much shooting at me. He's directly in front of me. Him right there. That jack wagon. Now you take over too, because you're not too great on healing either.
Yeah, I've only got 1 block while you have less than a block.
None. I don't have anything. Oh my god, if that thing shoots me, I'm done. Ah! Fuck. Oh, we're going back there.
Is there any better cover from that helicopter? That cheating helicopter?
I don't know, but I'm going back to that spot because the other guys weren't hitting me. Stop shooting at me for a sec. Oh, it sucks that I'm limping.
Oh, someone
Oh my
got
god, we did it?
Yeah,
Thank
someone got
fuck. I thought we would be here all night doing this shit.
this one spot. Oh, I got 1 block
Seriously.
left. I got 1 block back.
Huh, yeah, Jake, I thought I was gonna be here all night too.
Alright, I'm just letting my stamina go back up. Alright.
Let's look around, see if maybe we can find a box or something with ammo, because literally I got 1 bullet for a pistol. Actually, I got 1 bullet for everything.
So a magnum too, then hold on to that magnum bullet.
Oh, I am. The
Do you,
helicopter pilot's gonna get a piece of my mind.
you only need one to take care of it?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait.
I got some ammo for the bear commander.
I got grenade ammo for the bear commander. That's about it.
All right.
Oh. Do my little Prince of Persia stunt. Anything around here? No? Fuck.
Great work.
Oh well. We're just gonna have to suffer through this with little to no
Ow!
bullets.
The ladder fell on me.
You just stand under it, dumbass.
Hey.
But yeah, like I was saying earlier, I downloaded the Devil May Cry DLC for Virgil. And it's pretty interesting.
It wasn't boring or anything.
Oh no, it was pretty interesting. It's actually fun playing with Virgil.
You remember playing as him DMC3? What was it? That kind of fun?
No, it wasn't that kind of fun, but it was still fun.
Watch out! Boom! Blew all those grasshoppers up, and they gave me another bomb.
Chris is on the roof trying to take that chopper down.
Not going too well for him, is it?
You know what side? Did you see what side the helicopter is gonna land at yet?
Well, I have some.
No, I'm looking around to see if I find boxes of ammo or something.
Cause I know, cause it's usually on the right side is where it first comes up. If I'm facing the ladder, the right side is where it decides to come up first. Actually, I can see it from here right now. As
It's
soon,
going this way. It's going this way.
all right. As soon as you start, I'm gonna start running the other way so I can try to avoid all these enemies. Because as long as we can get this helicopter in one shot, we can. This will be a rather pleasant experience.
Here it comes.
All right, come on, guys. I got a bomb waiting for you.
Alright, I'm making my way up. What the f-
What?
I didn't even start climbing yet. He bitch smacked me off of it, and apparently the game said that I was already like fucking hella high.
That wasn't even that
Nah.
big of a fall or anything.
Literally, all I did was grab it. I didn't even climb, and apparently the game said, "Oh no, you were fucking right near it."
Screw all this running. I'm taking that chopper out.
With what?
Oh, I got a quick shot with the Magnum and I got a headshot.
Kind of making this up as I
Yeah, and I got a Joavo that's trying to fucking stab me, and he did.
Trying to take that chopper down.
Not going
Do I have a gun on me? Nope.
Mm.
Well, I'm equipping the Magnum.
No, not even. Bleh. I was gonna say the sniper. I'm gonna plant
I
a
don't have
bomb.
ammo. I wasted sniper ammo the other area we were at.
Screw all this running. I'm taking that chopper out.
I do believe I just got every Joao, all those grasshoppers that were just currently following us.
Good. And I got Magnum ammo, so now the people in the helicopter's fucked.
That chopper down.
The moment I see them land, I'm shooting them.
Too well for him, is it?
Wait, so they hit you while you were going down?
No, I literally grabbed onto the rope and then they smacked me.
What? Wait, they were right under you? That's where they hit you
Yeah.
from?
Yeah.
That was a bit cheap. Actually, there's someone right behind you. Oh, and there I go.
Wow, and I killed them too. Fuck. Yeah, I can tell we're gonna be here for a little bit.
I give us about 20 minutes. That's how long that's how long I give us. I think that was
It's a
about,
half hour.
restart.
Damn it, Mike.
Restart, or I blow myself up. It was either or, cause I mistimed my dodge and I got stabbed to the ground.
What the fuck? What hit me?
Through all this running. I'm taking that chopper out.
Well, I'm gonna blow him up.
Oh!
Oh my god, I fucking hate how they take their sweet ass time aiming their gun when they're down. Like literally, what the fuck? I had it in my hands. Where the hell do they put it when they get down? Behind them? You know, I'm just gonna say screw that spot. I'm not even gonna go back up there because you fucking lasted longer in the other area.
Yeah.
So, fuck that spot.
Can we at least get the ammo from it?
No.
Through all this running. I'm taking that chopper out.
How? With what?
How with what? Hopes and dreams, Sherry. Hopes and dreams. And money.
Really wish that rope was more consistent though. You climb on it 1 foot, get shot. And it's like you said, it's like you fell from like
High height.
like the top of one of these buildings.
Seriously, I just jumped right on it, and then it's like, oh no, you were like right under it.
Chris is on the roof trying to take that chopper down.
Not going too well for him, is it? Want to show him how it's done?
Well, I have some explosive rounds that can even the odds.
I think it's going to get back up, and it might go on the other roof. I think it's going to the other roof. Oh no, wait. I hate it when I'm right.
and went to the other roof.
Well, grenade that shit right now. Fuck. There's like one Joao heading to you. And then he jumped all the way down. Why? Don't know.
Oh crap, one of them has a gun. And I shot the guy that has the gun.
Come on, damn it. Stay still. There you go, right there. Bitch. Please don't die. Because the helicopter's now on fire.
It's on fire? It took that much damage already?
Well, I saw like fucking like a barrage of explosions coming out of nowhere from over there. Is it dropping off enemies here?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Come here. Oh well, then I'm getting killed. I think I might actually pull this off. Just live, dude. Just live. As for you, Mr. Helicopter Man, the moment I get up there, you are gonna fucking get your head blown off. And luckily I did not use that Magnum.
And all it takes is one shot, right?
That's all it takes.
You're going down.
Are you seeing this?
Yep. You're going in circles with it.
Why, beautiful. Fucking bitch.
I got the achievement!
You're welcome.
Thank you. I've actually meant to get that a long time ago.
Well, look at that. Let's Survive also is an achievement guide now.
I think I'm. You know, we've like and I was right. We were here for an extra 20 minutes.
Yay!
We got through the first part in about 18 minutes, and now we're at 40 minutes and 30 seconds. And we have a block of life left, and now we're about to head to the demo area.
Shut up. Oh, I hate my life.
Anyway, let's stop.
Oh, God.
Let's stop, and we'll be right back.
Yeah.